Hi, my name is Mario Beluso and I'm here to discuss how to compute for areas part 3. In this part, we will be computing for areas of the more complex shapes. For the first example, we need to get the area of the shaded portion. So to get the area of the shaded portion, we need to get the area of the square minus the area of the circle. So the area of the square is s squared, so that would be, the side is 6 inches, so 6 inches times 6 inches. So the area of the square is 36 inch squared. Now the area of the circle is pi r squared. Pi r squared. The diameter of the circle is 6 inches, so the radius would be half of that, 3 inches. So we solve for the area. The pi is 3.14. The radius would be 3 inches. 3 inches, the quantity squared. Now 3 times 3 is 9, so we multiply 3.14 times 9. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 1 is 9, 10, 11, 12. 9 times 3 is 27, 28. 1, 2, 1, 2. So the area of the circle is 28.26 inch squared. Now we need to subtract the area of the circle to the area of the square. So the area of the square is 36 inches and the area of the square is 28.26 inches. We need to zeros. So this one cannot subtract, so we borrow from here, this one we borrow from here, this one becomes 5, this one becomes 10. Now this one to borrow, this one becomes 9, and this one becomes 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 2 is 7, 5 minus 8 you cannot subtract, so borrow from here, becomes 2, this becomes 15, 15 minus 8 is 7.74. So the area of the shaded portion is 7.74 inch squared. Now for the next number, we have two circles that looks like a half donut. So to get the area, we need to get the area of the larger circle, subtract the area of the smaller circle, and divide it by 2. So first we get the area of the smaller circle. So the area of the smaller circle will be, because the diameter is 2 meters, the radius will be 1 meter. So the area is 3.14 times 1 meter, the quantity squared. So 1 meter times 1 meter will be 1 meter squared. 1 times 1 is 1. Meter times meter is meter squared. So this will become 3.14 meters squared. Now we compute for the area of the larger circle. The larger circle has a diameter of 4 meters, so the radius is 2 meters. So area is 3.14 times 2 meters, the quantity squared. So 2 times 2 is 4, meters times meter is squared, so this one will become 3.14 times 4 meters squared. So if we multiply 4 by 3.14, 3.14 times 4, 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1, 5, 4 times 3 is 12, 1, 2 decimal places, 1, 2 decimal places. So this is the area of the larger circle, 12.56 meters squared. Now we have to subtract the area of the smaller circle from the area of the larger circle. So 12.56 minus 3.14. 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. 12 minus 3 is 9. So the area of the whole lot, this one, the whole lot is 9.42, but we need to divide it by 2 to get half. So divide 9.42 by 2. 9 divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Down 4. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. Bring down 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So this is the area. This is the area of the half donut, 4.71 meters. So for the last example, we have a rectangle with a chop off on the side. So there are two ways that we can compute for the area. So one is to make imaginary lines, and then we compute for the area of these three shapes, and then we add them. But a simpler method would be to compute for the area of the rectangle minus the area of the triangle. So this is 2 miles. This is 1 mile. This is 1 mile. This is 1 mile. This is 2 miles. And this is 3 miles. So the area of the rectangle is length times width. So we multiply this one and this one. The area of the rectangle is 2 miles times 3 miles. And so we have 2 times 3 is 6. Miles times miles is miles squared. Now the area of the rectangle, let me show you first the shape. This is 2 miles. This is 1 mile. This is the base and this is the height. The area of the triangle is BH over 2. BH over 2. So the base is 2 miles and the height is 1 mile divided by 2. So 2 and 2 will cancel. So the area of the triangle will be 1 times 1 is 1. Miles times miles is mile squared. Now to get the area of that shape, we need to subtract the area of the triangle from the area of the rectangle. So the area is 6 miles squared minus 1 mile squared. So 6 minus 1 is 5 miles squared. So this is the area of that shape. And that's how you compute for areas.